Hello there out there. This is a video tube that I just wanted to show you of my helicopter. I might have made a video that one person has seen before, but I just wanted to make another one because it wasn't very good, and Jonathan in the video was moaning at me and I didn't want to show that on YouTube, so I can hardly see out this mask. Anyway, I'll just stand here, look. Music in the background, if you're wondering, is Kylie Minogue, Into the Blue, Kiss Me Once CD. Shout out to Kylie Minogue. Hashtag Kylie Minogue. Getting used to it again because I've not played with it for a long time. There are the controls. That syncs up the controller with the mechanism inside there. That spins like mad, that spins like mad. You can make it go like that or that. You can make it go up or down. But some stuff is in my way a little bit. Right, wait there, I'm just going to check if the camera can get it. Right, here we go again. See, that's the only thing about that. I should take that one down. Wait there, ladies and gentlemen. Had them up since Christmas and I can't be bothered to take them down. I was born near Christmas, so it feels like every day's my birthday and Christmas. Because I'm so blessed to have everything I've got in my world. Ah, stupid thing! Wow! I bet the decoration came off. Landed it successfully. On its side, mind you, but hey ho. Right, look, this is it. Again, just to show you. Right. Just to confirm it to you just now, right, that might have been called Into the Blue, but it was in my record player, the CD bit, and I definitely didn't mean to play it, it was just because it was in it, and I wanted to put this on before I was going to listen to that song called Into the Blue. I've not done it just because it's got blue in the song and I'm wearing blue, because I'm an Everton fan. It's not because of that. And it's just a coincidence that there's blue in the Scotland flag. Hashtag Scotland, best country in the world in my opinion. as I'm here filming this, I may as well just take a minute out, right? I know I say it really that often, but words cannot describe how thankful I am to everyone that's watched videos. Thank you very much, and a big shout out to the 30 subscribers. You're the main reason why I do this. But every single person that's ever watched the video, that's why I do it. But it's 30 subscribers that I will never take for granted, so thank you very much. And it gives me a chance just to promote Kylie Minogue. Not that she needs to be promoted anyway, because her, if she just stood in the room, she'd be promoting her great body. But I just like to show how well loved Kylie Minogue is. That was cool, went like that. That was smart. I'll show you again. Whoa! But anyway, so that's been my remote control helicopter which I got for my Christmas off of my dear friend out of Argos, and I looked him up, 2 for 15 quid back then, and special thanks to like the company that made this, whoever they are, very good product. One more time for good luck. You might not be able to see that, but I just thought I would try and fly it there. Definitely one more time. Oh, Kelsey, wait. In there, I've just found something. Wow! Cool. So I just thought there that the stick doesn't go all the way down when you put it in the middle there, look. Perfect. Right, thank you very much. Thumbs up if you like it, and comment on anything else you'd like to see in the future. I really do appreciate it. I know I keep on saying it in my videos, but thank you very much, and thank you for everyone that's left a comment on my Kylie Minogue videos that I've done in Edinburgh Castle. Thank you so much. Right, so I'm signing out. Pound it, nugget, see ya!